Deer tick. Deer ticks, also known as black-legged ticks, scientifically called Ixodes scapularis, are small arachnids that belong to the family Ixodidae. They are commonly found in wooded and grassy areas and are known for transmitting various diseases, most notably Lyme disease. Key characteristics of deer ticks include: Number 1. Size. Deer ticks are quite small, with adult females typically measuring around 3 to 5 mm in length, while adult males are slightly smaller. Number 2. Color. These ticks are often reddish-brown in color, but their appearance can vary based on their life stage and whether they've recently fed. Number 3. Habitat. Deer ticks are commonly found in areas with dense vegetation, such as forests, grassy fields, and even in residential yards. They latch onto hosts passing by to feed on their blood. Number 4. Disease transmission. Deer ticks are known vectors, carriers, of various diseases, with Lyme disease being the most well-known. Other diseases transmitted by deer ticks include anaplasmosis, babesiosis, and Powassan virus. Number 5. Life cycle. Deer ticks have a 4-stage life cycle: egg, larva, nymph, and adult. They require a blood meal at each stage to grow and develop. Number 6. Feeding. Like all ticks, deer ticks are ectoparasites, meaning they attach to their hosts and feed on their blood. The feeding process can take several days. Deer ticks, like other organisms, face a range of biological challenges that impact their survival, reproduction, and overall population dynamics. Some of these challenges include: Number 1. Host availability. Deer ticks require a blood meal at each stage of their life cycle. Finding suitable hosts, such as mammals and birds, is essential for their survival. Changes in host populations or migration patterns can affect the tick's ability to feed and complete its life cycle. Number 2. Habitat and climate. Deer ticks thrive in specific habitats, such as wooded and grassy areas. Changes in habitat due to deforestation, urbanization, or climate shifts can impact their distribution and survival. Climate change, in particular, can influence tick behavior, development rates, and the length of their active season. Number 3. Predation and parasitism. Deer ticks can be preyed upon by various predators, including birds, rodents, and insects. Additionally, they can be parasitized by other organisms, which may reduce their population size or impact their ability to reproduce successfully. Number 4. Disease dynamics. The pathogens carried by deer ticks, such as the bacterium responsible for Lyme disease, Borrelia burgdorferi, can also affect their survival. If the pathogen negatively impacts the tick's host or transmission mechanisms, it can influence tick population dynamics. Number 5. Genetic diversity. Genetic diversity within deer tick populations is essential for their adaptation to changing environmental conditions and for resisting diseases. Reduced genetic diversity can make populations more vulnerable to environmental stresses and diseases. Number 6. Human intervention. Human activities, such as pesticide use and landscape modifications, can impact deer tick populations. While some interventions aim to control tick populations, they can also have unintended ecological consequences. Number 7. Immunity and resistance. Ticks, like other organisms, can develop resistance to pesticides and immune responses from their hosts. This can impact the efficacy of control measures and the tick's ability to successfully feed and reproduce. Number 8. Life cycle challenges. The life cycle of deer ticks involves multiple stages, each with its own challenges. For instance, ticks need to locate suitable hosts for feeding and mating, and timing is crucial to their survival and reproduction. Number 9. Interactions with other species. Deer ticks exist within complex ecosystems, interacting with various species of animals, plants, and microorganisms. Changes in these interactions can affect tick abundance and behavior. Number 10. Human behavior and awareness. Human behavior and awareness play a role in tick exposure and disease transmission. Public knowledge about tick-borne diseases, prevention methods, and early detection can impact the spread of these diseases.